In this video, I want to show you how to use your DJI Osmo Action 6 camera with an SD card, micro SD card, how to insert it, and also how to manage the memory inside of the camera. So the first thing you need to know is that the SD card goes right over here. So if you look at the camera from the front, it's on the left side. To open this, you simply have, okay, there's an arrow, push this tab towards where the arrow goes, and then push up. Okay, don't lift your finger, simply push up to unlock the door. This is the battery, and right beside it, this is the SD card slot. It works with micro SD cards like this one. I'll put a link in the description if you don't already own one of these. So take the card, and we need to put it so that the label on the card, as you see, is facing the battery, and these contacts are facing the front of the camera. Okay, just like that. And then take your finger and with your nail push it until it clicks. Perfect. It has clicked in place. Now we can close the door. We're not done yet. Let's power on the camera. And it has detected automatically that we have input a new SD card. And it will ask us if we want to switch to the SD card, because before that it was recording in the internal memory of the camera. And now it asks us if we want to switch to the SD card. If you want this, press confirm. If not, if you still want to continue recording on the internal memory, well, press cancel. And in the future, if you want to make this switch happen, well, drag down from the top of the screen, tap the settings icon, go down. All right, and from here we should see storage. Tap on storage, and as you see, currently it's recording on the internal memory, and we can simply tap on our SD card, click confirm, and now it has switched to the SD card. If you're using a slower SD card, as you see, you're going to get a warning message. This simply means that the camera may not be able to record properly on it. This is why you need to use a high-speed SD card, the ones that DJI recommends, and I'll put a screenshot on right now just to show you what I mean by this. And again, I'll also put a link in the description towards Amazon. And if you want to format your SD card inside of the camera before using it, simply press storage, and then you can click on format SD card. Do this, and the SD card will be formatted before being used. And every time you want to switch between this, you can simply tap. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.